morning. Show that f is invertible. These type of questions. Question: consider f such that r plus set of all non-negative real numbers tends to minus open closed interval minus 5 comma infinity given by f of x is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Show that f is invertible with f inverse of y is equal to root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. Also, hence find f inverse of 10 and y if f inverse of y is 4 by 3, where r plus is the set of all non-negative real numbers. Okay. First, to show that it is invertible, we should show it is bijective. Okay. So first, it is given that f such that r plus tends to minus 5 comma infinity. Right. So f of x is given as 9x square plus 6x minus 5. First 1 condition. Let x1 comma x2 belongs to r plus. Two different elements, x1 comma x2 belongs to r plus, such that we are taking the condition f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Okay, while applying x1 f of x1, while applying x2 f of x2, these two values are equal. F of x1 is equal to f of x2, right? Expectation x1 is equal to x2, right? So we can write the function as 9x1 square plus 6x1 minus 5 is equal to 9x2 square plus 6x2 minus 5. So this is the case to prove 1. So we can cancel minus 5 and minus 5. I can write 9x1 square minus 9x2 square plus 6x1 minus 6x2 is equal to 0. So from the first two terms I can take 9 as common. I can write x1 square minus x2 square plus 6x1 minus x2 is equal to 0. Next, we can, using identity a square minus b square, we can expand this one as 9x1 plus x2 into x1 minus x2 plus 6x1 minus x2 is equal to 0. Right. I am going to take x1 minus x2 common, so remaining 9x1 plus x2 plus 6 is equal to 0. So with the condition that 9x1 plus x2 plus 6 is not equal to 0, therefore x1 minus x2 is equal to 0. Obviously x1 is equal to x2. So we can say that therefore f is 1. So it satisfies 1 condition. Next to onto condition. Onto function. We are assuming let y be any arbitrary let y be any arbitrary element of codomain minus 5 comma open interval infinity. Right, I am taking so y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x. So what is my y value means? Y is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Okay, I am going to find x value. I am going to find x value using completing the square method. So I can write y is equal to, I can write this 9 as 3x the whole square plus I can split and write this 6 as 2 into 3x, right? So it is of the form a square plus 2 into a into b, so I can write b as 1, right? So I can add 1 b square and I can subtract 1 b square, at last the given constant minus 5. Okay, so the next step very simple. I can write y is equal to a plus b the whole square Since I have added 1b square, I can subtract 1b square, minus 1 square will become minus 1, and it is given minus 5. So I will get y value as 3x1 plus 3x plus 1 the whole square minus 6. Okay, right. So 3x plus 1 the whole square is equal to y plus 6. 3x plus 1 is equal to root of y plus 6. 3x is equal to root of y plus 6 minus 1. Therefore x is equal to root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. Actually here I will get plus or minus. I will take only root over y plus 6, right, because here r plus, right. Therefore, so this is my x value, so root over y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. Therefore I can say that f is on 2, and range of f is minus 5 to infinity, So by using this we can define one more function. So let us define g of y. Okay, g of y, so root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3, that is g of minus 5 comma infinity tends to r plus. Okay, right. Now to show it is invertible, g of f of x, I am going to prove the composite function g of f of x. G of f of x, so what is f of x? 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Instead of that I can write g of 3x plus 1 the whole square minus 6. Okay, so that I can substitute in the place of y, Okay. So it can be written as root over, instead of y I can write 3x plus 1 the whole square minus 6 plus 6 minus 1 whole divided by 3. So we will get the answer plus 6 minus 6 cancel, root over 3x plus 1 the whole square minus 1 by 3, square root and this cancel, 3x plus 1 minus 1 by 3. So the answer is x. Okay, similarly I am going to find f of g, f of g of x. I am going to find f of g of x, right? Sorry, f of g of y. Okay, so it can be written as f of, what is g of y? G of y is root over y plus 6 minus 1 whole divided by 3. Okay, so I can apply this in f of x. So I know that f of x is what already? F of x is 3x plus 1 the whole square minus 6. So if I substitute 3 into root of y plus 6 minus 1 whole divided by 3 the whole square minus 6, 3 will get cancelled. So in the place of, okay, then this is, I forgot to write this minus 1. So root of y plus 6 plus 1 minus 1 the whole square plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. So I will get the answer root of y plus 6 the whole square minus 6. So square root and root cancel, y plus 6 minus 6, the answer is y. Okay, so here one more time the same step. So this is 3 f of x, 3 into root of y plus 6. Okay, so instead of x I substituted yes, minus 1 by 3, then I have plus 1. Okay, whole square minus 6. So I can cancel this 3 and 3, minus 1 and plus 1. I can write root of y plus 6 whole square minus 6. So square and root cancel, y plus 6 minus 6, answer y. Okay, the same thing I did here. So we got y. Next, so therefore g of f I got I r plus f of g I got I minus 5 to infinity y I got, right? Therefore f is invertible. Therefore f is invertible, and inverse, f inverse is given by right, so it is nothing but g of y root over y plus 6 minus 1 whole divided by 3. So they are asking us to find two more things. F inverse of 10. So in the place of y I should substitute 10. So 10 plus 6 minus 1 by 3 root 16 minus 1 by 3, 4 minus 1 by 3, answer 3 by 3, which is equal to 1. And part, it is given if f inverse of y is equal to 4 by 3, then what is y? So we can write y is equal to f of 4 by 3, right? We know that y value 9 x square plus 6x minus 5. So f of 4 by 3, I can substitute as 9 into 4 by 3 the whole square plus 6 into 4 by 3 minus 5. So 9 into 16 by 9 plus cancellation 2, 8 minus 5. So 24 minus 5, answer 19. Okay, hope you like the video. Thank you.